Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 24th of September and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6 to give a massive shout out to all of those children who have been amazing throughout this week, and they really have, because you'll see lots and lots of children appearing this morning. It is brilliant. So come on, let's kick off. Here we go. Look at these, look at Mr. Pinner's shout outs. Look at these children. We've got Esme, we've got Gabriella, we've got Luke, Oliver, Mia, Cece and Jake, just being absolutely amazing and working so hard throughout, non-stop actually. That's what Mr. Penn and Mrs. Cook actually, to be fair to them with what they're saying. These guys are amazing. Stand up in your class. Let's give you a massive cheer everyone. Come on. And a big shout out. Really, really well done, you year threes. Proud of you. Moving on. Okay, here we go, Mrs. George. Look at these math stars. And they are math stars because I've seen their maths this week and I've been giving out lots of merits. And they're appearing on my proud wall as well because I'm so impressed with them. So we've got Ruby, we've got Bruno, we've got Jacob, we've got Robbie, we've got Sky, we've got Olivia, Tyler and Rowan. They are working so hard. Honestly, I'm so impressed. Stand up, guys. Come on. Let's give them a massive cheer. Really, really proud of you. Really well done. And keep up with that amazing maths because you're really blowing Mr. Allen's socks off because I am so impressed. So keep it up, you superstars. Moving on. There we go. Look at these. Oh, my word. Look. Reading more than 5 times every week. More than. It's brilliant. Every single day, twice a day, some of these children. It's brilliant. So we've got North, we've got Thea, we've got Beren, we've got Willow, Lexi, Millie, Marshall, Joseph, Pandora, Eric, Caius, Diego, Milana, and Summer. Absolutely avid readers. It is brilliant. Thank you, guys. And just keep it up because it's wonderful to hear. So well done. And very soon, I know, appearing on my desk will be reading records to fill in and hand out 10 house points to those completed reading records. So well done, you guys. Keep it up. Moving on. Again, look at these guys. Look, reading more than 5 times a week. It's phenomenal. You can see them, all their heads in there, but thumbs up from Jakisa. Absolutely. So come on. Mahir, Eva, Regan, Anna Maria, Cleo, Bailey, Abe, Aaliyah. We've got Ruby, we've got Mia, Charlamagne, Fiona, Jakisha. We've got Tyler, Emily Ann, Milana, Nicodem, Christophus, Khaleesi, Alfie Jack, and Oscar. Absolutely brilliant. And they are all avid readers, they really are, and really enjoying what they're reading as well. So, and actually we're having to buy more books because they're reading so many. So I know that our library budget's going up and up because we've got to get more books for these children. And why not? So keep it up. Let's give them a massive cheer in class as well now, please. Well done. Moving on. Look, a big shout out for always putting your hand up and being ready to share your ideas. Absolutely amazing. They really are, these year 5s. We've got Reggie, we've got Kobe, we've got Riley, Ruben, Abby, we've got Mia, Alana, Eliza, Noah, and Mason. That is fantastic. Really, really great. Well done, year 5s. Keep doing that. Keep doing that in every subject. Keep being inquisitive. Keep asking questions because it's fantastic to see. Stand up now. Come on, let's give you a massive cheer in class. Well done, guys. Thank you and keep it up. On. Here we go, Miss Musselwhite. Look at these superstars again. Look, for always getting involved in every lesson enthusiastically. So we've got Jack, we've got Dexter, Subhan, Dylan, Gemma, Lena, and Lily. Absolutely superb. Massive enthusiasm for every single lesson, which is super impressive. Here for a great start to their stories with their writing. It's brilliant. We've got Ivor, Riley, Jack, and Alicia. Well done, guys. Look at this. For great home learning. Look at Ellie. Massive smiling face. Well done, Ellie. Keep that up at home as well. For super independent work, Harry, being super independent and just giving it a go, not giving up. Well done, Harry. And here for being kind and being a good friend. We all need good friends. We've got Oliver and we've got Reese. You guys, please stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer. Really well done and thank you. And keep up all of that amazingness. You superstars, well done. Here we go, moving on. Look, Miss Percy, look at these. For showing consistent focus on lesson and always meeting year 6 expectations, including Mr. Allen's games lessons. I must say that. They are brilliant. You've got Courtney, Amelia, Martin, Lamin, Kenzie, Zane, Amelia, Janisa, Angel, Milana, Goda, Bianca, Nadia, and finally Josh there with Isabel as well, tucked in there. Really well done, you year 6. Please do keep that up. It's a fantastic start to year 6. Stand up, come on, let's give you a massive cheer. Come on, I know some of you are a bit embarrassed by that, but let's get you up. Let's give you a massive cheer, guys, because you really deserve it. And just keep that up through year 6. Thank you so much for Mr. Allen. Right, moving on. Mr. Davidson stars. Now we've got 2 lots from Mr. Davidson. These lot, look at them, earning their pen license. Absolutely superb. They absolutely have. So really, really well done, these children. We've got Jessica, Joshua, Summer, Bart, Gracie, Alicia, Brooklyn, Damien, Amber, Logan, Deanna, Ashton, Evie, Olivia, Brooklyn, Sophia, Freya, and Rachel. Well done, guys. Really impressed. Keep up that amazing handwriting in that presentation because it looks phenomenal in your book. So really well done. Massive cheer to all of you for earning your pen licenses. Next one as well. Mr. Davidson again. Look at these. Look. Excelling in French. Amelia, Brooklyn, Kieran, Logan. Oh, absolutely brilliant. So really well done to all of you excelling in French, and keep that up, okay? Because it's fantastic because you'll be using it at secondary school. Who knows, some of you could choose French as you go on. Also here, look, spelling shed superstars. Look at these guys, because I know they're top of the table, these guys. So we've got Lily Mae, we've got Connor, we've got Freya, we've got Oscar, we've got Ashton, we've got Joshua, and we've got Deanna. Superb, well done you guys, keep up, because that will just help you in your writing and your spelling, so really, really well done. And here, fantastic contribution in guided reading, again. So we've got Summer, Alicia, Damien, and Ruben. You absolute superstar. Stand up now, come on, stand up, let's give them a massive cheer. So proud of you, massive shout out. Thank you from Mr. Allen, just makes my job easier, and keep up the amazing attitude in year 6. Well done guys, thank you, thank you. Here we go, look, brilliant work this week everyone, absolutely from everyone. See if you can get on there next week with some brilliant work as well and get a massive shout out. Can't get a shout out there? Let's see if we can get you on Mr. Allen's proud wall for Monday's assembly, okay? Fantastic, thank you so much. Have a great weekend everyone, and let's look forward to next week and as much hard work as we can as well next week. Till then, bye-bye now.